Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to add a checking account to your Stop and Shop account. Before we dive into adding a checking account, did you know you can get Stop and Shop products delivered to your door in as little as 1 hour using Instacart? Plus, if you're a new Instacart user, your first 3 deliveries are free. We will include a link in the description below. To start, go to the website stopandshop.com. On the top right side of the web page, you will see a button that says Sign In. Click on Sign In. Once clicked, you will see several options. Click on the option that says Sign In. Then, a pop-up window will appear. Here, enter the email and password you wish to use. Once entered, click on Sign In. A verification code would be sent to the email address you provided. Enter the code on the boxes provided. Then click on Submit. After that, you will see a pop-up window that says Success. To continue, click on OK. Now you will see the home page of your Stop and Shop account. At the upper right corner of your screen, you will see a drop-down arrow beside your name. Click on the drop-down arrow. Then, you will see several options. Click on the option that says My Account. Now, at the left side of your screen, you will see an option that says Payment Information. Click on Payment Information. Once clicked, you will see several payment options you could use. Since we are trying to add a checking account, click on the option that says Checking Account. After that, put all the necessary information related to your checking account such as the bank name, routing number and account number on the fields provided. Then, you will see a highlighted text that says Terms and Conditions. Make sure to read all of the following information stated before proceeding. Once read, and if you agree, click on the tick box beside I agree to the terms and conditions. Lastly, click on Save. That's how you add a checking account to your Stop and Shop account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.